Hi guys, today we'll be making two beautiful end tables using wire spools. But before we get started, I want to show you my previous project. I also use wire spools to make this ottoman. If you didn't see that one as yet, I'll link it to the end of this video so you can check it out when you're done. So for each table, I'll be using two spools. And I'm going to be using poster board to close the sides of the spool. And I'm just going to use my stapler to hold it in place. And I'll be using poly rope for this one, and each table took about 250 feet of poly rope. I will have a full list of all the items I used in the description box below. I'm just going to start to line my rope right at the edge of my frame, and I want to make sure that it's straight because this one will determine how the rest will look. So now I'll just continue to go around with my rope, and I'm just putting the hot glue as close as I can to the previous rope so it will bond the two of them together. And I'll just continue to wrap it on the top also. So these spools, they're 14 inches in diameter. Michaels do sell beveled edge mirrors for $7.99. You could stop here if you'd like to put mirror on the top. So I'm just going to add a couple pieces of cardboard to fill these spaces before I continue to go around with the rope. And while you're watching, I'll really appreciate a thumbs up. It will help to grow my channel so I can continue to bring you weekly tutorials just like this one. And if you're new here and you'd like to see my weekly tutorials, please subscribe and select the post notifications so you will be among the first to know every Friday when I upload my new videos. And I'll just cut off the excess and tuck the end of it. And I just want to add that you could use these tables indoors, or you could use them on your patio as well. I'm just going to use a piece of sponge and I'll apply my acrylic paint. And I added a little cornstarch to my paint so it can be a little thicker and it will help to fill the gaps between the ropes. Now I'll just attach my base. And the one that I'm using for the base, it's about 1.5 inches higher than the one that I used for the top. So now I'm adding a second coat of my acrylic paint. And for the base, I'll add this matte black. After I was done adding the black, I didn't like the matte so much, so I took it outside and I gave it a layer of gloss spray paint. And here's the final result, guys. You could customize it and make it your own, add your own color, your own style to it. Thanks so much for watching. Please click the box on the left to watch the next tutorial.